For example, students, I will tell you very good example. For example, uh, I am working with a one Java company. In that particular company, I developed one particular project. In that particular project, I have a classes like this. I have a classes like A class consisting of different methods. That may be a method with body and without body, because this is an abstract class. I will tell. A class is an abstract class. Why I put an abstract? I will tell you. I am working with a company 1. I am working with company 1. I created an abstract method. In this particular abstract method, M is an ordinary method and AM is an abstract method. Why I created this abstract method means, so there was other company was there. This particular company people wants my rules and regulations, means because the company 1 is the main boss of this particular company. This company 1 can create, having some developers, they created some softwares. In that particular softwares or the jar files, in the jar files we have an abstract classes. Abstract classes means the M method is having some logic. I written some logic in company 1. Company 1 people written some logic. This M method cannot be modified by company 2, but this abstract method is empty. I am telling, please follow my rule. That means please use my method name only, but you can define your own logic. You can define your own logic according to your company, but please follow my rule. So that's why you can say abstract method is also known as rule. Abstract method is also known as rule. At the same time, you have to understand very good point, that is, you cannot create an object for A class. For example, if A is an abstract class, you cannot create an object like this. You cannot create an object like this. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because of, we know that it is not a complete class, it is a partial class. For example, as a student, you have to pass all the subjects, all the 5 or 6 subjects. If you are failed in one subject, you will not be promoted to the next class. Similarly, if a class consisting of the methods with body, every method with full functionality, then I can create an object. But in abstract classes tells that one is an abstract. Abstract means there was no definition for this method, but there was a definition for this method. That means it is not fully functional. Full functionality will not be there for an abstract. Abstract tells that I am partial. Abstract means partial. Partial means the method may consisting of definition, the methods may not consisting of definition. That's why. What is the main goal of creating an abstract class? Because of, if I create any abstract classes, I will give to my subordinate companies or sub developers. They have to follow my rules and regulations. That means whatever return type I used for this method, whatever method name I am going to use, the same rules and regulations they have to follow. Okay, students, you understand what I am saying? Okay, so let me go and create a small abstract class, uh, an abstract method. So please remember all the points. Abstract class must contains the abstract methods. Okay, and abstract class cannot be inherited by the final class. Final class means final. There is no base class for that. Okay, sorry, abstract class cannot be a final class. Next, abstract class consisting of both method with implementation and without implementation. Methods with implementation and methods without implementation. Abstract methods consisting of final variables, ordinary variables. Okay, like this. So let me go for a small program. I have a problem in abstract methods. Let me solve that. Students, I have a program of abstract class. That is the classroom example only. Class 5. I already have the example, that's why. So the class 5. Okay, this is the abstract test. See here, students, this is the regular example. So many times in the classrooms also we learn. I have an abstract class shape. Okay, abstract class shape. In that I have some variables. The final variables will not be changed. You know that int x equals to 10 and y equals to 10. I also having the final method here. Final method means it will not be overridden in the derived classes. So system.out.println x and y, I am going to print both the values. That's it. X, some hyphen will be printed and y will be printed. What is the values? 10 and 20 here. And I have some method. The method name is find area. Find area is an abstract. I can put public abstract. I can put abstract public like this. Okay. So this is an abstract class. In this abstract class, I have method with implementation, method without implementation. Okay. And I have a class circle extends shape. So circle is the base class. It extends the shape class. Here I provided the radius 90. In the find area, I have the formula for the area of a circle. I calculated 3.14 into the radius and I print the area of the circle in the find area. See here, main important thing is final methods will not be overridden in the derived classes, but abstract methods must be overridden in the derived classes, because abstract tells that, shape tells that I have an abstract method. You can implement your own logic. You can implement your own logic. That means, for example, if I take circle extends the shape, okay, then I must provide the logic for the find area. Similarly, rectangle is also having find area for finding the area of length into breadth 2 into L plus B for rectangle. Similarly, I have any number of, I can take square, I can take any type of shape. Shape is the base class, abstract class. So see here what I did in the main method. Circle is my class name. I can create directly, I can create an object like this. I can call both the print method in abstract class. I can call the find area. We know that find area is a method overriding. Method overriding means same method in the two classes, in the base class and subclass, but the will be different. But what we are overriding here, abstract method. Abstract method means Abstract means empty. Abstract means empty. We are not defining anything. There is no definition for this particular method. I am defining the method here in the subclasses like circle or rectangle, like this. So whenever I create an object, I cannot create the object for shape class, but I can create the reference for the shape class. For example, this is the shape. I can create the reference for the shape class, but I can create the object for the subclass. Here also, I can create the reference for the shape class, but I can create the object for the rectangle class. Okay, I can call both the methods here. I can call both the methods here. This particular find area will refers to the circle. Circle find area will be executed. Here rectangle find area will be executed. So let me go. I want to copy this, the enter code, and I will paste in my Eclipse. Click save. I will paste the code here. Let me execute this class. What happened? Run as run configuration, and I have to find the what I have to find. Name of the class is not shape. No, I will remove this code. I will remove this code. I only return the classes like rectangle, circle, and shape class. I will go through, right click, new class, that is abstract test. Abstract test. Click on finish, and here I must have a main method, and paste the code here and execute. Now you get the output for the area of a circle and area of a rectangle. So here I added an abstract class. So how can you add the abstract class? Right click, go for new class, like this, and it is like if you tick mark on abstract whenever you are declaring. If you click, for example, I have abstract class AC is my abstract class. Please tick mark that it is an abstract. Click on finish. Then what happened? The abstract class was created. If you want to final class, I will remove this from my project. Delete. Okay. Like this, you can add. All the options will be available whenever you click on right click, and you can see everything will be available. Whenever you click on classes, it will come. Whether you have to create the public class, abstract class, or final class. Okay, like this. What is the super class also you can define. What is the super class of that particular class also you can